Hey, it's Paris. You know I love sparkly things, right? Like stars. Duh. And thanks to Hilton and AutoCamp, I just slept under them. Picture me, serving looks by the fire outside my luxurious Airstream, making s'mores with the kids, while a national park is our backdrop. The great outdoors meets Hilton hospitality. That's hot. Explore all the new ways to stay at Hilton.com. Hilton for the stay.
Working in the defense sector means operating in one of the most complex and high-stakes environments in the world. Every process, from supply chain management to equipment maintenance, must meet the strictest standards of quality, reliability, and efficiency. Mistakes are not just costly, they can compromise national security, endanger lives, and undermine mission readiness. This is why Six Sigma certification has become increasingly important for professionals in defense. It equips individuals with the structured methodologies and data-driven tools needed to minimize errors, streamline operations, and achieve consistent results in environments where precision is non-negotiable. At its core, Six Sigma is about reducing variability and eliminating waste. In the defense industry, variability can translate into faulty components, delays in system deployment, or inconsistent performance in critical technologies. A certified professional understands how to apply methods like DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, to uncover inefficiencies and design improvements that hold up under rigorous standards. For example, improving supply chain reliability by identifying and correcting root causes of delays can directly strengthen military readiness and reduce costs associated with downtime or emergency procurement. Likewise, ensuring consistent quality in aerospace or weapons manufacturing through statistical process control can safeguard against failures that might have catastrophic consequences. Six Sigma certification also prepares defense professionals to navigate the unique regulatory and compliance environment they face. From strict Department of Defense acquisition standards to ISO requirements and supplier audits, the sector demands flawless documentation and adherence to process. Certified practitioners are trained to build systems that generate traceable, auditable results, ensuring that quality improvements are not only achieved, but can be demonstrated to oversight bodies and stakeholders. This skill set makes Six Sigma professionals invaluable when contracts depend on meeting exacting performance and compliance benchmarks. Beyond technical rigor, Six Sigma also develops leadership and problem-solving skills that align with the collaborative nature of defense projects. Programs are often large in scope, requiring coordination between contractors, government agencies, and multiple branches of service. Certified individuals learn how to lead cross-functional teams, communicate improvements in clear terms, and secure buy-in from stakeholders who may have competing priorities. This ability to translate complex statistical insights into actionable strategies builds credibility and fosters trust across all levels of the defense ecosystem. Ultimately, earning a Six Sigma certification in the defense sector is not just about professional advancement. It is about contributing to national security in a measurable way. By applying proven methods to reduce waste, improve quality, and ensure consistency, defense professionals strengthen their organization's ability to deliver reliable systems on time and within budget. In a field where precision and accountability carry the highest stakes, Six Sigma provides the edge needed to succeed.